Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad, just like always, to have you back on this channel once again. And yes, on today's video, we are live at the Ekwueme Square, which is located in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this Ekwueme Square have been renovated, reconstructed, and refurbished by the Anambra State government, that is the Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo's administration in Awka. And yes, on today's video, we are going to bring you yet another update of this particular project regarding the progress that have been recorded so far since the commencement of this construction in Awka. So this is what the major entrance into this facility looks like currently, and if you look closely, you will notice that work is still in progress even as we speak. Yes, the outer look of this facility has been given a befitting look. You can see that the compared to what it used to be, if you look at it now, you will notice that it is more befitting, and the view of this facility is more beautiful, more than or better than it used to be. So let's take our time to go inside this facility and show you a whole lot of progress that have been made right within this facility since the commencement of this construction and rehabilitation of the Ekwueme Square. So we have been talking about the Soludo's legacy projects in Anambra State, and the thing is, the current governor of Anambra State, without mincing words, have been doing so very well when it comes to infrastructure developments in the state. And I must tell you the truth, the way it is, Anambra have not had it this way or in this manner before. When I say that Anambra State as a state is a construction site, I'm not joking, because if you go through our channels, you will see a whole lot of projects that are going on right, left, and center within the state and all around the state. Virtually in every local government in Anambra State, there is either one project or the other that has been completed or either still ongoing. So what we are saying in essence is that the Soludo's administration has actually benefited Anambrarians and Anambra State as a whole. And by the time most of these projects come to completion, Anambra as a state will be able to compete with states like Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and like manners. So we are going to take you into this facility bit by bit. We are going to see a whole lot of work that is ongoing and the ones that have been completed, and also we are going to look around this facility completely and see what we have right within the Ekwueme Square. So over here is the second gate into this facility, and you can see that work is still going on right at the second gate of this facility. So let me take you guys around and let me show you even the grandstand that is still under construction. There has been massive progress already at the grandstand that is under construction within this facility. Also, this is the major grandstand of the facility, and you can see the one that has been renovated, and you can also see the one that is still under construction. So we are going to take them one after the other and also look at it and see what it has gotten to. Yes, over here you can also see the massive work that has been done at this particular side even long before now. I believe this was the first place they attended to before progressing towards the grandstand and other parts of this facility. So even though there has been progress so far, there is still a lot to be done right within this facility. So over here is the grandstand that was newly constructed and is still under construction. So if you have watched the last update we got you of this facility, you will notice that there has been tremendous progress already from what we met on ground the last time we visited this facility. Notwithstanding, I will leave the link to that video at the end of this one, just in case you need to catch up with what this location used to be. You can also watch that video at the end of this one. Yes, you can watch it so that you will catch up with the progress of work right within the Alex Ekwueme Square. So it will be very nice if we hear to hear from you. Please share with us your thoughts, share with us your observations, share with us your commendations or your recommendations, whatever it is you have in mind or you observe about this project or about the Anambra State government. Please do share with us on the comment section. If you know things that we don't know about these projects, please kindly share with us on the comment section so that we all can be on the same page together. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. So right at this grandstand, you can see over here we would have a gym center, restaurants, and lots more right at this particular side of this grandstand. So it's not going to be like the regular grandstand you all know. This is going to be a more modernized grandstand that will be able to contain these facilities I just mentioned. There's going to be a gymnastic house at this particular grandstand. That's a fitness house. There is going to be even restaurants and stores right beneath this particular grandstand over here. So it's not going to be like our regular grandstand that we used to know. So right at this particular grandstand also, this particular one was the one that was recently refurbished. Yes, it was recently upgraded, and you can see that it is looking quite beautiful already. So this is what the roof of also the other and newer grandstand is going to look like. And also before now, I thought that the Anambra State government that they are going to change the major grandstand, this particular grandstand now that you are seeing. I thought that the roof is going to be removed and something like this other one will be done at this particular grandstand. But hopefully, I hope that will be done, because this particular roof of this major grandstand is quite old and not looking good at all. So I really hope that the Anambra State government will actually replicate what they did to this other grandstand and at this particular one. It will actually make the whole place to look more beautiful and more unique. So at the same time on this video, I'm still going to take you guys even towards where we have the basketball court and the handball court right within this facility. We are going to go around. I'm going to show you guys a whole lot of things that we have inside the Alex Ekwueme Square. So it's a complete sports facility. Yes, there is even a football pitch and a whole lot more. And just in case you don't know, this is where Anambra State government holds most of its public functions. So it's a very strategic and important location, both for the government and for the citizens in the state, especially those in the capital. So this is what the Alex Ekwueme Square currently look like. And over here we would see this is the basketball court that is still within the Alex Ekwueme Square. Yes, over here is the basketball court that is within the Alex Ekwueme Square. And just in case you are a basketball lover, you can also come here to practice from time to time. It's free. You can always come in freely to practice. And right at this side also is the handball court that is still within the Alex Ekwueme Square. So if you are a lover of handball, you can also come here and practice. Also, I want to tell you guys, thank you so much just in case you have watched up to this point, and in case you are just watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, comment, let's hear your thoughts, let's hear your observations, your advices, whatever it is you have in mind. Please share with us on the comment section. So this is what the current state of the Ekwueme Square in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And if you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now, guys.